Lemon and cinnamon are often touted for their potential benefits in supporting weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. The combination of lemon and cinnamon is not only a delightful flavor pairing, but also offers a range of health benefits. 1. Boost immunity. The high vitamin C content in lemons supports the immune system, helping the body defend against colds and infections. 2. Aid digestion. Lemon juice can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, potentially alleviating indigestion and bloating. 3. Detoxification. Lemon water is often used as a detox drink due to its ability to help flush toxins from the body and support liver function. Cinnamon, with its warm and spicy taste, complements lemon's flavor and adds its own set of benefits, including 1. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it valuable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. 2. Heart health. Cinnamon may contribute to heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and triglycerides,